In this video, I want to show you the brake fluid reservoir location on your BMW X3. So if you open the hood and we go on the top right corner, this is the reservoir. You should see this logo on the top, and to remove it, you simply need to unscrew it. Now you can also remove this connector, but you're not obligated, honestly. You can simply unscrew it, take this out, okay? It'll be full of liquid because this is a sensor that is able to tell you when it's full or not. And you're gonna fill it over here. I'll put links towards Amazon, so if you want to get your brake fluid from there, check my links. It's usually cheaper than going to the dealer. You also have a minimum line. I know it's hard to see, but over there it says minimum. You should never fill it under that minimum. And if we go on this side, there's also a maximum line. Never go above the maximum. At the end, make sure everything is tight. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.